Let's quickly see how to track employee onboarding progress using simple checkboxes and a smart formula. Here, each stage, onboarding, training, application access requests, certification, and handed over to operations, has its own checkbox. When a box is checked, it means that stage is completed. Now, to automatically show each employee's current status, we are using this formula in the status column. Let's break this down. The first part, COUNTIF function, counts how many boxes are checked. If none are checked, the formula returns pending. Otherwise, the lookup function finds the last checked stage, that is, the most recent milestone completed, and displays the corresponding header name from row 2. So, if all 5 boxes are checked, it will show handed over to operations. If only the first 2 are checked, it will show training. This makes it super easy to track progress for multiple employees. Just tick the checkboxes, and Excel automatically updates their current stage. A clean, visual, and efficient way to manage onboarding or project progress, all using simple checkboxes and one powerful formula.